Large format graphics print factories and PSPs strive to increase revenues and grow their business while facing numerous challenges. Responding to the latest consumer trends and looking for ways to integrate workflow automation into their activities are key. They are also looking for ways to take advantage of new commercial opportunities in digital printing without breaking the bank.
The Arizona 6100 Mark II series is a reliable, easy-to-integrate, high-volume true flatbed flagship printer that has been purpose-built for producing exceptional print quality and the highest productivity for a wide range of rigid media applications, including digital packaging and point of sales. Designed for operational ease of use, you can experience with the Arizona 16100 Mark II series high print speeds at up to 220 square meters or 2,368 square foot per hour with fast, repeatable registration with substrate handling, minimum downtime, and exceptional first-time write productivity. Employing the third generation of the award-winning VariaDot technology, the Arizona 6100 Mark II series offers photorealistic print quality while using light inks for finer details and smoother gradients in even the fastest production modes.
The Arizona 6100 Mark II series offers a choice of table technologies and functionalities so that you can configure the ideal printer for the customer segments you serve. Our Arizona 6100 XTS Mark II series with the Arizona Classic Pressure technology is for almost any rigid media. And our Arizona 6100 XTHF Mark II series with the Arizona High Flow technology is particularly effective when the substrate does not adequately seal the vacuum area. For instance, for porous corrugated cardboard or severely warped plywood.
The award-winning Arizona technology will enable you to produce sensational applications on a vast range of rigid and flexible media, such as for interior decor standard and textured surfaces, canvas, wood, MDF, ceramic tiles, and aluminium and other metals. For digital packaging and POS, cardstock and corrugated board and cardboard. And for industrial applications, plastics and glass composites. Designed for operational ease of use, the Arizona 6100 Mark II series gives you fast and easy loading and unloading. Due to the user-friendly interface, you can print first-time write. Remove dependence on operator know-how by using documented recipes in Prisma Guide XL, ensuring consistent quality for reprints.
Application programming interfaces allow for easy integration with third-party systems, which helps you to shorten your lead times. Robotized media loading and unloading will help you to provide 24/7 continuous printing operation via the Arizona Automation interface.
With the Arizona Accounting interface, you will retrieve valuable data regarding ink consumption for further processing in your accounting software packages. The Arizona 6100 Mark II is a highly dependable printer with a print carriage design that floats on frictionless air bearings without wear and tear. The standard automated maintenance system, AMS, provides completely automated, hands-free printhead cleaning for maximized uptime and continuous outstanding quality print after print.
Users can also benefit from ProCare support with full cost transparency for on-site service with the fastest response times. With parts, labor and travel time, preventive maintenance and remote support included, ProCare gives customers the best return on investment and 24/7 continuous production at the highest and most consistent quality.
The Arizona 6100 Mark II series is a world-leading technology featuring capabilities designed to ensure it is the most productive, efficient, and reliable Arizona printer ever. Large format graphics print factories and print service providers will benefit from a true flatbed printer that encompasses exceptional productivity and reliability while offering outstanding flexibility and ease of use on a vast range of print media. without having to compromise on quality. Arizona printer customers who need to increase their total or peak rigid printing capacity will love the incredible print quality and productivity, as well as the amazing rigid media application versatility. The combination of the dual origin flatbed, automatic maintenance, and Arizona technology maximizes production output and achieves unprecedented levels of uptime, including 24/7 continuous performance with minimum operator intervention.
The Arizona 6100 Mark II enables you to open up new and exciting commercial opportunities by offering customers a wide range of value-adding applications, including digital packaging and point-of-sales materials. As the global leader in flatbed printing, the award-winning Arizona series sets the market standard for print quality, application versatility, level of automation, and ease of use. More than 7,500 Arizona printers sold worldwide is a reflection of the confidence users have in this remarkable workhorse.